Title: Unlocking Radiant Skin, the Ultimate Guide to Jade Rolling.
Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome to today's professional video where we'll delve into the world of jade rolling, a timeless beauty secret with incredible benefits for your skin. I'm Seth Huzaifa, your guide to unlocking radiant, youthful skin. So, let's roll. Host winks and holds up the Jade Roller. Segment 1. What is a Jade Roller? Before we dive into the benefits, let's understand what a Jade Roller is. It's a beauty tool with a history that dates back to ancient China. Jade rollers are typically made of natural jade stone and consist of two smooth, rounded ends attached to a handle. The jade stone is believed to have healing properties and represents balance and harmony. When used on the face, it can work wonders for your skin. Segment 2. Benefits of jade rolling. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of incorporating a jade roller into your skincare routine.
Benefit 1. Improved circulation.
Using a jade roller can stimulate blood circulation. As you roll the cool jade stone over your face, it helps increase the flow of oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This means a brighter complexion and a healthy glow. Benefit 2. Lymphatic drainage. Jade rolling is fantastic for lymphatic drainage. Gently rolling in specific directions can help reduce puffiness and alleviate fluid retention, especially around the eyes and cheeks.
Benefit 3. Relaxation and stress reduction.
Using a jade roller is not just about skincare, it's a relaxing ritual. The cool, soothing sensation of the jade stone can help ease tension and reduce stress, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated.
Benefit 4. Enhanced product absorption.
Jade rolling can enhance the absorption of your skincare products. After applying your favorite serums or moisturizers, roll gently to help these products penetrate deeper into your skin for maximum effectiveness. Benefit 5. Firmer, more youthful skin. Regular use of a jade roller can promote collagen production, which is essential for firm, youthful skin. Over time, you may notice a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Segment 3. How to use a jade roller. Now, let's learn how to use a jade roller for maximum benefits. Apply your favorite serum or moisturizer. Start from the center of your face and roll outward and upward. Use gentle pressure and repeat each motion 3-5 times. Don't forget the neck and décolletage. Clean your jade roller with warm, soapy water after each use. Conclusion. Incorporating a jade roller into your skincare routine is a simple yet powerful way to elevate your beauty game. The combination of relaxation, improved circulation, and product absorption can help you achieve that coveted radiant complexion. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the ancient beauty secret of jade rolling and unveil your most beautiful self. Remember, the journey to radiant skin begins with just one roll. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.